Hello and welcome to the e-commerce workshop. This is tutorial 1, and in this tutorial we're going to be working on the BlockMason link and blockchain network tokens setup. To set up your link account and obtain the test utility tokens for your blockchain network of choice. Let's begin with setting up our BlockMason link account. You can follow the simple setup steps outlined in the following section of the link onboarding guide, github.com/blockmason/link-onboarding. Once complete, you should see the code editor in Link with the demo smart contract code. That means you have successfully set up your Link account. The next part is the blockchain network token setup. In order to store data on a public blockchain network, you will need to obtain some of its corresponding utility tokens in order to digitally pay for that transaction. For example, the Ethereum blockchain uses Ether or ETH as its underlying utility token. Tokens are specified to a network, and this also applies between test and mainnet production networks. For example, you can obtain ETH tokens specified from the Ethereum Robston testnet, or you can obtain test RBTC from the RSK testnet faucet for free, since it's designed for test purposes. Mainnet tokens, however, usually need to be bought from a cryptocurrency exchange. In this case, the public blockchain we'll be using is called RSK. Until now, Bitcoin did not support smart contracts, so developers built their dApps on Ethereum or other smart contract platforms. RSK uses the same programming language as Ethereum, which is Solidity, in enabling developers to build dApps without the need to learn new programming languages. Since RSK is compatible with Solidity and the Ethereum virtual machine, it is also compatible with BlockMason Link. Using the familiarity of Solidity and the ubiquity of Bitcoin, combined with the ease of Link, makes for a potent decentralized solution. To begin, you can obtain some testnet RBTC tokens from the RSK testnet faucet to be sent to your Link default account address. When setting up for the RSK testnet, you'll want to use the wallet that you just seeded with RBTC tokens. When you're selecting your network, select Create New and call it the RSK testnet. Keep the block confirmations needed at 0, press Save and Next. When you're asked which connector you'd like to use, create a new connector. Call this connector RSK testnet connector and use the URL public node testnet.rsk.co. The link will be in the onboarding documentation. Ensure the network selected is RSK testnet, press Save and Next. Now you should have your connector successfully set up so that you can deploy your contracts onto the RSK testnet. Now that you've done that, you're all set up with Link and some test tokens, and you're ready to proceed to the next tutorial.